Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Ali Bank. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. And let's move on. First step, you want to search for Ali Bank login just like this. After you search for Ali Bank login, the first option where it says Ali login, click on it. And make sure it takes you to secure.ali.com. That is the official website for Ali Bank, alright? Now once you're in this page where it says username, enter the username of your account. And where it says password, enter the password of your accounts over here. And click on where it says login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Ali online banking account. And if you forgot your username or password, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.